Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your baseboard product name and also the version on your Windows 11 computer. So let's go on down to search and type in system information. Should pop up under best matches. Select it, go to system information, and we can find some things like the system type. Down here, the system model, system manufacturer for our computer. But if we scroll all the way down here, we got the baseboard manufacturer. MicroStar International for me. Then the baseboard product is the MS16R. This is a laptop. And then the baseboard version located right here as well. So all good information. Then we got the BIOS version and date. Maybe you're trying to upgrade your processor. Make sure you have your BIOS up to date. Or if you install your processor, it might be too old and it's not going to be recognized by your computer and nothing's going to happen when you start it up. So you might have to remove it and put in your old processor so you can actually go ahead and upgrade it. So we got the date right here. Mine is 9/21 of 2022. So if it's definitely past maybe 3 or 4 years, you might need to update your BIOS version if you're going to be upgrading your computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.